Hello guys, I'm the CEO of Quickbird. My name is Vladimir and I'm going to show you our greenhouse control system. So, if you take a closer look, this is a Intel Edison / Arduino based control system, which at the moment a concatenation of different circuit boards. But that won't be the case. In the future it's going to be nicer. Basically, this has got internally CO2 sensor and a bunch of different sensors that it uses to control this growing of very important supply of coriander for us. But it could be something else. It could be an actual greenhouse, because this is built for a hydroponic system and that scales up well. So you actually, if you're growing a huge greenhouse with like a hectare of stuff in it, it's the same box that would do the same thing. Now, we've got a bunch of sensors here. We've got a humidity and temperature sensor for air. We've got a soil moisture sensor. We've got root zone sensor. Oh, this could be a solution temperature sensor. We could add one more. We've got a flow meter for your water usage. We're measuring EC, pH, and we can control a pump, right? So if you look here, that solution, we can see EC, we can see pH, which you would need in a hydroponic system. We obviously also measure light, and a few other things which are not quite as interesting. Now, you can also make it automatically do things like watering. So, for example, at the moment, moisture is very high because we watered the hell out of this thing when we're testing. Now, if we pull out the moisture sensor, obviously we'll say, oh my god, the moisture is gone, and it will try to water it. Now, pull this out because we watered the hell out of it, but normally it would be inside here. So put it back in, turns off. Now, of course, all of that is recorded with the software and logged, and you can see it online and sends data to the cloud anywhere, wirelessly. Also, if you look here, there's a little fan over here. And that's made for that's so that the CO2 meter can take the correct readings. That's it. They didn't dissolve it. And of course, and the sensors are nice and plug and play. So you can pull it out. Normal audio jack. Don't plug in your headphones here, or I don't know what will happen to them. You might go deaf. But it's a very nice plug and play system. You don't have cable plans. You just have connect sensors like this. And if you need longer cables, just get audio extension. That's it. All cheap, simple components. That's it. Cut!